Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing! Kids, before you start watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. You might get a cute surprise.
Hi little artists, today we're going to draw cute lips and a lipstick with shining color. Let's draw and have fun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Kids, first let's draw a cute lip shape. Next, let's draw a cute lipstick shape. Kids, watching the full video is going to be so much fun. Now let's color our drawing with bright, beautiful colors.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now let's color our lips bright red. Let's color our lipstick red and sky blue. Wow! Look how cute and shiny they are.